This is my professional BMX. Bought from a professional BMX shop. It cost $250. Yeah. Right. These are my grips. Black. Had them for a long time. These are my bars. Professionally painted from my friend. This is my arm. Stem. This is my stem. Black. I painted a line so it looked good. And this is my forks. They are red, chrome. My rims are black with silver spokes. Oh yeah, and these are my black hubs. Yeah. My 8-ball valve cap. And my dice valve cap. This is my black seat with a picture. Very comfortable. This is my black tube thingy. My silver seat clamp, rusted, to make it look good. My Kukumusu sticker I stole from a friend. That's how my bike sounds. Sounds good. This is my black sprocket. Beautiful. These are my black cranks. Very resistant. These are my silver pedals. This is my cassette. Very small. Expensive. $100. Odyssey Elm Street tires. Piece of shit. Right, now this is my helmet, which my dad painted for me. With this helmet, I do backflips from Blues End. No handers. Right, now over here we have the stuff we're gonna sell. First is chrome new rimmed, double walled, in great condition. Still bearing. Later we have the bars. Professionally Wait. My friend's making me laugh. Professionally painted from a friend. Later. These new bars. In good condition. With brake lever. This frame, chrome, light, weighs 21 pounds, with 3 brakes, and a fork painted professionally from my friend, white with black splatters of paint to make it look cool, and first 26-inch tire, new maxi. Later we have this old Alex Supra dome rim, Alex rims, Now we are. Damn, man. Motherfucker. And we're going to paint to make it look good. This shitty paint is no good for nothing. Over the speaker. Look, all of this for just $2,000. All of this. $2,000. Comment if you want it. We will post to where you live.